Annoyed by having to double-click the side button every time you install an app on your iPhone? Here's how to disable double-click to install on the Apple App Store. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions and make sure it's turned on. Now tap iTunes and App Store Purchases. Find Require Password and select Always Require. This forces password entry instead of Face ID double-click. Go back to Settings, then tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode and turn off iTunes and App Store. Now open the App Store, find any app, and tap Get. Instead of double-clicking, your iPhone will ask for your Apple ID password. And that's it. Double-click to install is now disabled. For more iPhone tips and fixes, don't forget to like and subscribe.